See the wall complete. Me don't really like how they make them wanna look like a cartoon. Me don't really know how me feel about them. King Yellow Man, me know somebody that's a yellow man to go up on the wall, Shabba ranked. You know? Then complete the wall. They wanna look real again, right? Chronics and Protege, we did it already. It's a Protege. Like me say, reggae and dancehall Hall of Fame. Being a man, Bounty Killer. That's a 3-year black this on ya. Why bird come and deal with the place? Shaggy, it's a young Shaggy. And Sean Paul. I think it makes sense they put Shaggy and Sean Paul beside each other. And still have a little more space, so I don't think it's done, but I'm going to look at update. I have Sizzler, Capleton and Buju Banton. And that, yeah, this makes sense. All of the rest of them together, but I don't like how they look like the cartoon. Yeah, like that. Ninja Man that get covered up. I like how they put Beanie Man, Bounty Killer and Ninja Man side of each other, and then Shaggy and Sean Paul, Protege and Chronics, you know. I do it in a look at order that makes sense. Jimmy Cliff up at top of yourself.
Okay. So I left out the two dancehall top man them. Style thing. No now do you know. Update now wall here. What do you think about these people? You think them two man need for them on the wall too? Yeah man, left a comment man, because share the thought me hear what I go on.